Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be solving this question which states that if the sum of three numbers in AP, the three numbers are given to be in AP, they are saying if their sum is given to be 24 and their product is given to be 440, then what are those numbers? So first of all, let us assume numbers. Now you can assume the numbers like this also: A1, A2, A3, and so on. Where what is your A1? A1 is the first term, so what would be your A2? A2 would be A1 plus D, right, where D is the common difference. And what would be A3? A3 would be A1 plus 2 times of D, right? You can also use these terms. So first term would be A1, second term would be A1 plus D, third term would be A1 plus 2D. However, I am using these terms A minus D, A and A plus D because it becomes the calculation becomes quite easy if we take such terms. I'll show you how, because we are given that the sum of these three numbers is 24. So if you take the sum here of these three numbers, it becomes very easy to solve it, because this D and D would get cancelled, and straight away you would have the value of A, which comes out to be 8 in this particular case, right? So that is why we are selecting the terms like this. So A is equal to 8 in this case. And moreover, you can notice that these terms are obviously in AP with the common difference D. Why? Because you see what is A minus this term minus this term, it is D, right? And what is this term minus this term? That means A plus D minus A, so it is also D. So you see D is your common difference, and hence they form an AP. Correct? So we have our first equation as 8, solving which we obtain the value of A as equal to 8. Now it is also given that the product of those three numbers is 440. So that means we are given, if we multiply all the three terms together, we would have 440 as our answer. Now because we know the value of A as equal to 8, we can substitute it here. So when you substitute this value of A here into this equation, you would have 8 minus D, 8 into 8 plus D, correct? So you can divide, you can take this 8 to the right hand side, so that because here it is being multiplied, there it would be divided. So we have 440 divided by 8 on the right hand side, and you are left with 8 minus D into 8 plus D. Now this becomes the formula of A minus B, A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Hence we would have 8 square minus D square, right? What is 8 square? It is 64. D square is D square. So from here we can take this D square to the right hand side, 55 to the left hand side, so that we have this expression. Solving this, we can calculate what is the value of D square. It is 9. So the value of D comes out to be plus minus 3, right? So we have two values of D. D could either be plus 3 or it could be minus 3. So using this value of D and this value of A, let's see what are those three numbers. So if we take plus 3 value of D, the numbers in this case would become A minus D, A plus D, correct? These were the numbers that we already took. A is 8, 8 minus the value of D, A, and A plus D. So solving this, we obtain the numbers as 5, 8 and 11. And in the second case, when the value of D is minus 3, in that case, the numbers A minus D, A and A plus D would become 8 minus of minus 3, 8, 8 plus of minus 3. So when you solve them, the numbers are the same, however they are reversed. So you see both the numbers, they are in AP, however here the common difference is plus 3 and here the common difference is minus 3. So they are increased. They form an AP which is increasing AP, they form an AP which is a decreasing AP, right? So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.